Welcome to the BoldSign eSignature tutorial. In this video, you will learn how to send reminders to all recipients who have not yet signed the document in bulk send. Manual reminders are essential for prompting recipients to review or sign documents, ensuring that the signing process is completed on time. These reminders facilitate effective follow-up with signers who have not finished their signing after the initial request. In BoldSign, senders or their admins can send manual reminders to recipients of bulk send documents at once to manage the signing workflow effectively and ensure documents are completed on time, thereby enhancing overall efficiency. It is important to note that manual reminders can be sent to all recipients of a bulk send document once per day without affecting any automated reminder settings. Also, manual reminders can only be sent to recipients who have not yet completed the signing process for documents that are still in progress. Imagine an event organizer sending registration forms for an upcoming conference using BoldSign's bulk send feature. As the event date approaches, the organizer notices that many attendees have not yet finalized their registrations. To address this, the organizer sends a single reminder to all recipients who have not responded yet using the bulk send reminder option, prompting them to complete their registration forms on time. Let me show you how the event organizer would do that in detail. The first step is to access the BoldSign application page. I expand the bulk send menu and choose the My Bulk Send option. This action navigates me to the My Bulk Send page, where I can find a list of all my bulk send documents. Here I need to send a manual reminder to all recipients who have not yet signed the registration form at once. To do this, I locate the event registration bulk send document, hover over it, and click the context menu. A list of options appears. From these options, I can revoke all the pending documents, send reminders to the recipients for all pending documents, export bulk send document responses to a CSV file, download all completed documents, or delete all the documents for this bulk send. I choose the reminder option. The Remind Now dialog box opens. This dialog box alerts that the reminder will be sent to all recipients who have not yet completed the signing process. The dialog box also includes an optional message field. Next, I enter the message. Please complete your registration process at your earliest convenience to finalize your participation. Once that is done, I click Send Reminder. The reminder is sent successfully. Now, all the recipients will receive reminder emails along with a message. Additionally, the email contains a link for reviewing and signing the document, enabling the recipients to complete the signing process. That summarizes how to send reminders to recipients for all pending bulk send documents using the BoldSign eSignature. If you found this video useful, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to our channel for more BoldSign tutorial videos.